Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT Master Edition, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and here go to the sounds and vibration section. Now just scroll a little bit down and as can you see your notification sound is tunes right now. Just go there and you can select your new notification sound from these tunes, from your custom, so regular your files, from your music or some recorders, or from the regular default notification sounds. For example, I will go with this twinkle, and right now just go back and as can you see our notification sound has changed successfully to the twinkle. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.